So a few weeks back, Anker Soundcore line unveiled a whole bunch, actually 6 new audio products. We want to focus on their new flagship top of the line ones, and those are Liberty Pro 2s. They're premium earbuds. So we want to talk about why these are actually the almost perfect earbuds. So the Liberty Pro 2s have a bit of a unique design to them. They definitely kind of stand out of the crowd a bit. You have earbuds as well as ear wings to kind of help secure it safely in your ear. So you see these big design, it would be nice if there was a capacitive or some sort of touch thing, but it's not. You got a small button up top, you got another small button on the other side. So the buttons are customizable, so you can go into the app, the Soundcore app, and customize different things you can do with it. Play, pause, skip, rewind media, tracks, or whatever, activate your desired virtual assistant. And along with the look, they're also IPX4 water and sweat resistance. So we mentioned comfortability before, so they made sure to try to cover all bases. You have a total of 7 different ear tips, as well as 3 different ear wings to choose from. So for me, it fits okay. They're not uncomfortable. Maybe after a few hours, one might slip or whatever. But I think for most people, I think these will be fine. These guys are armed with Soundcore's own Astria coaxial acoustic build that gives you good treble inside a bass with a wide sound stage. You also have their Hear ID feature that customizes sound based on your individual needs, as well as 22 preset sound profiles for you to choose from. All this to really fine tune the audio experience that you're looking for. And what about the audio experience? I really like the sound of them, being adaptable to fitting your different needs. Like, okay, I'm listening to podcasts, let me go to the vocal preset and catch that. Or I'm listening to something that's bass heavy, and we go to bass heavy stuff. So you have a couple things for you to choose with to make the audio experience a little bit better, which is fine. I mean, something EQ can do as well, but instead of trying to fine tune it, you can do it all at the touch of a button. As far as like taking calls and stuff, they have quad mics inside. We're supposed to reduce the noise when taking phone calls. It's okay. It's not a flagship feature that you should buy this for. You have an amazing battery life in these guys as well. They live up to the suggested 8-hour battery life that Soundcore says it does. The charging case gives you 3 full charges, and you can get up to 32 hours in total. The 10-minute charge gives you 2 hours of use. You have USB-C in the back. The case supports wireless charging, which is also good. So you got a good fit, great audio quality, and battery life to last you pretty much your entire workday. All in not the best looking design, but all for about $150. You might consider them a budget brand, but the product is definitely premium. My only thing with me is that the fit was okay. It wasn't the best fit for me, but for you, it might be perfect. So if you're interested, check it out. We got links below, affiliate links, so we do get a cut if you do make a purchase to us, which we appreciate. And we also appreciate you stopping by and watching, because you could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so, and see you next video. Peace.